Here we have just arrived at the second island, and here we're gonna take a canoe tour. And let's see where he brings us and what he shows us. It's exciting. Let's get into the canoe.
That's really amazing. View is stunning.
Everywhere I look, it's just so beautiful to watch.
If you want, you can also go canoe alone. It's advised to go with the tour guide. It both saves you energy, time, and the tour guide knows where to go to. It's absolutely stunning here.
The rock you see here, it's in the shape of a fish. Here you can see the eyes, and underneath you can see the teeth. Here it's so overcrowded that you have to wait to get in line to get through these rocks to get to the other side.
Are we nearly entering the cave? The tour guide doesn't speak English, so it's mostly communicating with the body language, which is fine. Wow.
If you listen silently, you can hear the crickets on the background.
You can hear the crickets. It's really calming.
Here on the left you can see a rock. It's shaped like a baby elephant. First you can't see it, but if you focus in the middle you can clearly see it's a baby elephant.
I'm wondering if they shaped them themselves or by nature. The fish definitely by nature. But there's two animals within 10 minutes. Not gonna lie, I would love to go that way. So when it's tide, when it's flood, you can go there by boat, but now not because it's tide. Going through the cave again. The guy just showed me the ground here. It's like a mineral. It's really sticky sand. I asked him if there's like birds or bats. I cannot make difference with bats and birds by sign language, but there's no bats in this cave. This is the James Bond rock number 2. It's used in the film James Bond and the Golden Eye. So now he just gave the pedal to let me pedal. Let's see where we go.
We were making some speed compared to the other canoes.
Just shame so many tourists. It's such a beautiful place. Look at that. So this, if you look upstairs, it's supposed to be look like a heart. We're not on the right spot right now. Skip the pedal back, he's way more experienced as I do. Yeah, if you look at it from this angle, you should see a heart. Oh, it's really cool around here. It's so nice. Imagine this is your job. It's crazy realizing so beautiful here. There you can see crabs, green crabs. And it smells. Oh, the bigger ones are in the water. It smells. It smells like licorice candy. Somehow. Ah, it's all the shells. If you touch it, then you're likely to cut your hands. Very sharp. So watch your head. The water is greenish here because it's the part where the salt and the sweet water they mix together. On the rivers, lakes, they come here. They're not lakes, but the water mixes here, and that's why it's this green. There's a lot of plankton. Draw it. There's supposed to be turtles over there. Hope we see some. I doubt it.
At this point I thought he meant an actual turtle, but he just meant the rock again. Like the rock is supposed to be the shape of a turtle. Not this one, but this one. Yes.
I meant this rock is shaped like a turtle. So I heard it talking about bananas. I guess this is banana shape. I cannot see it, but here we have to lay down. We came with.
If you want to speak out to these islands, you hop from one to the other.
In total, you get to 7 places on 6 different islands. So far, we're on the second. So far, it's really breathtaking. It feels like I'm on tour all day already. Meanwhile, it's just the second island. Wait.
This was it for the canoe part. I really enjoyed it. But I really enjoy the canoeing. It's crazy. Like we've been to 2 islands and this feel like 2 separate trips already, and this is just 1/3 of the whole trip. So there's even more to come. I'm so excited about the next islands. If you made it up till the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And here is some footage about our adventure next week. We're going to a cave and we're gonna bless each other with lucky water. Alhamdulillah. Also blessing your views.